Hey friends, Happy New Year, all the best for 2026. We do hope you've had a great time with family and friends over the festive season. For us, how did it look? Well, we're kind of weird. We took it to the next level. We spent Christmas Day, or part of it, in a laundrette. It was Christmas Eve last year, so we thought, why not go one better?
Yeah.
For the New Year's celebration, we were fortunate enough to meet some lovely new friends and celebrated the evening with them. Thank you, Kim and Paul, for your company.
Yeah, it was a great New Year's.
It was good, yeah.
We still didn't see New Year's though.
No, we didn't. We slept it.
We were in bed asleep until the locals started setting off fireworks,
Yeah.
and we just kind of woke up briefly and then went straight back to sleep. Yeah. We also want to let you guys know that we've had a bit of a change of plans. So we were, as many of you know, planning to head to Turkey for the winter. We will let you know more about our plans in due course. Please don't be concerned at all. There's nothing wrong. There's no, there's nothing to be at all concerned about. Everything's fine. But yeah, we just have kind of changed our plans. We've got some really exciting things coming up over the next few months, and we can't wait to share them with you, but we're not going to divulge too much just yet. You'll have to keep watching the videos to find out. One opportunity that has come our way that we do want to let you know about, because it's happening just next week, we have been invited to speak at an online conference. It's called the DIY Trip Summit, and it's designed for independent travellers who are planning to travel to Europe this year and in the future. So if you're planning to travel to Europe at all this year, 2026, this could be something that could interest you. So the summit is aimed at travellers aged over 40, and we know pretty much all of our audience is in that age bracket. And we're joining over 30 expert travellers to present on a topic that we do know quite a bit about, and that is how to travel Europe by campervan, motorhome or RV. So the summit takes place next week, from the 13th to the 15th of January. And it's all pre-recorded except for a couple of live panel sessions. So you can kind of watch it. It doesn't really matter what time zone you're in. And the best part is it's absolutely free to register for the summit. There is an option to upgrade to get extended access and a whole bunch of other free goodies. But for the main part, the sessions, it's absolutely free. So we're going to drop a link down in the description of this video, or you can scan the QR code that is right here on the screen right now and go ahead and check out more about the DIY Trip Summit and register if that's something that might be of interest to you. So over the next couple of weeks, we will be finishing our series on Greece, on our road trip around Greece. And then we're planning to do a couple of special videos. So if there's anything that you want to know, if there's anything that you'd like us to put together a video on, please let us know. Drop a comment down below and let us know what you'd like us to tell you more about.
Yeah, we always love hearing from you and having that engagement, and we'd like to take this opportunity to thank you so much for your support. It helps us keep on track and keep producing these videos.
Well, that's it for now. Thanks so much for watching this one, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video very soon.
Ciao for now.
Bye.